Morning, everybody. See the little bird? I don't mind birds, but when it comes to blueberries, I tend to mind birds. So, there's our blueberries just about to turn blue. And I want to keep that little guy away. I know I could get nets. I like birds better than I like nets. So I've got these holographic streamers that can go across here to distract the birds. They reflect light, which birds don't like apparently, or animals in general. And then I've got a little owl as well with a swivel head that I'll mount up in here as well. Hopefully that deters the birds from eating our almost ready, so close. And I know they're looking so beautiful now, all of a sudden, boom, birds will eat them. So here we have our little owl guy. And here he is. And he's got a little swivel head that's on the back here. The wind blows. He turns his little head. And I've got this stake. It's an old, what do you call it? Rod for a closet for hanging clothes. And I just put a point on the end. Got my sledgehammer. And I think we'll put this guy right in the middle here. Somewhere right in here. Nothing to hit there. That's not going anywhere. And then that little guy can just stick on there. And the wind can come along. Hopefully it's low enough. The birds see him. I think so. Yeah, see his head's moving a bit, just with the wind. So for the streamers, it's this kind of reflective tape. It's quite thin. Hope it is really thin. I hope it has strength. I'm going to string it back and forth. Initially, I'm going to do it high enough so it's not in our way, our heads, when we're cutting the lawn. So I was thinking of just tying it here. Literally just like that. I don't know. Give it a few twists and then tie it to the top of the grapes here. Feels like I'm wrapping a present or something. How about like that? That looks pretty good, actually. I like how it goes back and forth. Looks kind of neat. Yeah, that would be annoying if I was a bird. Hopefully that does it. Keeps it away from the blueberries. I think that should do it. And I can walk underneath it without being obstructed. The wind naturally blows it in the breeze. Yeah, I like how it moves too with the spirals in it. It's perfect. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.